All right, test one, two. Great, here we go. Let's grab our friends. All right, good morning, everybody. Great to see you here today for another beautiful day in OFA. We're going to get it rocking and rolling. Nice. Orshi got your hand up right away. Love to see that. If anybody else has a question, please just raise your hand. Let me know you have a question, and we'll get right to you. We're going to start with Orshi. Good morning. Great to see you. How can I help today? Oh, as she tries to do the thing, of course, it just kicked her. That's so funny. Let's hop over to Amanda really quick. Good morning, Amanda. Great to
Hey,
talk
good
again.
morning. Good
How can I help
morning.
today?
All right, so I made the upsell for the bracelets.
Nice.
And then I raised the price.
Cool.
I increased it by double. That did really well. I was wondering, I'm not seeing any hits on the bracelets, so I was wondering if you could take a really quick look at it and tell me like what I should change about it because I'm not seeing any conversions on it.
Since you raised the price,
No, since I did the get a $5 bracelet today when you join the um bracelet club.
yes, let's take a look.
Okay.
Okay, coming through. Gotcha.
Yeah, so it did really well as far as orders.
Mm-hmm.
Like I think I raised it to 250 and I made like 390 in sales yesterday.
Nice. Great stuff,
Um
Amanda.
yeah, but before I raise it again, I'm trying to make a appointment with the Meta Pro team to see if I can get that CPR number like drop down a little bit more.
Amazing. Amazing.
Sorry, I have so many tabs.
You're a-okay, so do I.
Um, Really quick, I just while this is loading, I know you guys were talking about the Claude bot.
Mm.
So that's CLAWD bot, correct?
Yes.
That's
Well,
that's that one. That's
there's
not
two.
Claude. Okay.
There's two. There's Clawbot or Open Claw.
Open
Um,
Claude.
and yes, that's the Claude bot. That's where you see people buying Mac Minis and the
That's
Mac,
okay.
yeah, Mac Mini runs the robot. That's the top tier. That is, I mean, it is crazy, crazy powerful. But you also have Claude Desktop and Claude Cowork, Claude Desktop, Claude Desktop, Claude Cowork. And that is a great way for you to like write code and bring it onto your device without having to do all sorts of technical setups and need anything different. You could probably start using Claude Desktop and Claude Cowork right now today.
Okay. No, I'm definitely gonna get the mini.
Cool. You're gonna have fun.
Yeah, no, because I was watching like information on it the other night and it was like, don't use your regular computer. It was like just it's all unhinged.
Yes. Yes, you definitely want a device that is only running ClaudeBot.
Yeah, but it looks really cool. So this is
It
what I
is.
so th this is what I made real quick. And I know above the fold is really wordy, but I wanted to make sure that they're not like clicking back and reordering
Right. No, that's okay. I think especially for your customer, I think that's okay.
because it's not as much now that I put this on the screen and made it bigger. It's only happened twice yesterday, so it's a big number change.
Great. Great. Okay, no, I'm totally fine with it looking like this. Let's see what the rest says.
Okay.
Okay, one thing that I'm seeing, scroll me just above those bullet points. Members receive a brand new limited edition bracelet delivered to their door every month. Are these going to be military themed bracelets?
No, so what I did was like if they scroll down just random, I found those on Amazon just to be like past drops that we've sent.
Yep. Okay.
And then whatever I can find, I was going to outsource on Alibaba.
Yep. Keep going. There's your guarantee.
And then I just put reviews.
Great. Okay.
But now that I'm looking at it, it looks like I might not have put any products in here for some reason. I maybe never added it.
Yeah. Looks that way. Let's go back to your account. This actually looks okay. I'm pretty happy with this, Amanda. Um, correct. No products attached.
Oh, look at that. It's the little things.
So no way that anybody actually could have bought that.
Yeah. Okay, that makes a lot more sense now. So I was like, I don't know, not even one hit.
Yeah, not even one was shocking. And this is 100%
Yeah,
what
I
you
could do this
find.
later. And then I have a really, really quick question.
Sure.
Because a lot of people are saying they're not getting confirmation emails to their orders. Oh, wait, what did I just do? Um, like they're saying they never received a confirmation email. And I thought when I built the funnel that I put in a workflow to send them like, hey, your order is received, but it seems like no one's getting it, or a lot of people aren't getting them.
I
That
wonder
would
if
be
they're
just
not
through a
getting
workflow.
them or if they're just going to
They're
spam.
not getting, they're not, oh, okay, that could be it, maybe. And there's no way to like really change that, right? It's just gonna take a while.
What you're going to do, yes, it's just going to take some time. Do you remember, did you set up your DKIM, DMARC, and SPF records?
Oh, I don't know.
No worries. I have something I'm going to share with you. Let's go to,
Hold on, I'm gonna pull you back up so I can see. But a confirmation email would just be out of a workflow, correct? Hey, we got your order. Your order is received.
yes,
Okay.
that's exactly right. Got it. Okay. I'm going to put in a link to the chat for you. It's to a support doc, but it's going to show you how to set up three records inside your domain: your DKIM, your DMARC, and your SPF. You definitely
Okay.
want to do this. This sends the signals to the email suppliers like Google, Yahoo, AOL. This sends them and says, hey, I'm a real person. I'm verifying my email. I'm not a spammer, but it's 2026. Even when you do that, they're still going to put you right to spam. So
Okay.
here's what you want to do. As people call, are they calling you?
Not so
Or,
much.
okay, how are you hearing that they're not seeing them?
They're finding me on the Facebook ad and messaging me through there.
Okay, so interesting. Wow, you have some
Yeah,
resourceful older customers. That's cool.
it's right through Facebook.
That's cool. So you should go to all of them and DM them and ask them to go look in their spam and promotions folder for an email from Liberty Forge or whoever you're
Okay.
sending it from. And then tell them to go to that email and click the star so that it goes to their inbox. And any future emails you send will get to their inbox and they'll see them. You could always just, when you're sending a DM, say, hey, I'm so sorry. I have to re-verify my stuff. That's why it's going to spam. So really simple there, but basically you just tell your customers, hey, go check spam and promotions. If you find my email in spam or promotions, please click the little star so you'll see all future emails that I have coming to you, and you'll also get all of your receipts in the future. Um, You also probably want to put that on your order confirmation page as well. On the order confirmation, go in there and say, hey, congratulations, your order has been confirmed. It's already being shipped out. We've sent you a receipt. Please double check your spam folder if you don't see the receipt in your inbox. If you see us in
Okay.
spam, click the star so you take us out and you see all the amazing stuff we have planned for you. Literally, just tell your customers to go to spam and click the star. You get 5 or 10 of them to do that, and then that's enough signals that you'll be taken out of spam.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much.
Nice. Always, you got it, Amanda. Anything else today?
Appreciate it. No, no, that's it. Thank you.
Awesome. Great, great work, Amanda. Really proud of you.
Thanks. Oh, stop this.
Absolutely. Okay, let's hop over to Orshi. Great to see you, Orshi. How can I help?
Hi Dante, how has life been? It's been a while
It has been a while. I'm
since
living
I
the
saw
dream.
you.
How are you?
I'm okay, not having the best of times, but that's okay.
With what?
I have a couple. My sales on my last launch were quite bad, really bad. I don't know what must have happened. I want to ask you about it. And then I want to ask you about some of my membership launch things. Is that okay?
Cool. That's great.
Okay, I'm going to share my screen. So my stats were so bad for the launch as if it was my first ever launch when nobody knew me.
Hmm.
So this is it's not actually 13 opt-ins. I don't know why it says this. It was like 10. Uh, which is even worse than the 1%. And all the views of my page views are great, you know, and I didn't change anything. I changed a little bit of the price, but I did just the what you told me to do, like an extreme price. Then I did the medium, and then I did the installments. There is one thing that I was thinking about, and I don't know if this happens ever in the world or how this works in Hungary. We're having elections coming up, which are very serious here.
Mm.
It's between dictatorship or not dictatorship, so people are very tense. I don't know if that's why people
Mm.
aren't buying. So yes.
That is a thing, Orshi. We see that in the States. When election cycles are coming up, we see buyers stop buying. People hold on to their money when it's a time of unsurety. They hold on to that money and they do not spend it until the election happens, and then spending goes crazy again. That is absolutely a thing. 100%. So about the launch though, you just changed. Did you change the product that you were selling? Okay.
No, so what I did is I added a bonus that wasn't even there before, actually. Um, and then the price used to be 186. I brought it down to 159 as the full price, and then the
Hmm.
sale price is 129. And
Hmm.
then, but it's only for 1 year, right? That's what we changed it, that it's only for 1 year, not lifetime. And
Hmm.
some people actually, two or three people bought the full lifetime, which is crazy. So good things or bad things, like the sale number is just so much lower. It's just really shocking, honestly. But if you also, if this happens in America too, that before elections, it's so much uncertainty. People are counting down the days until the freaking election happens.
Hmm.
So it is possible that it's just that.
Oh, it's more than possible. It's probable.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. But I'm curious, remind me, originally, did you ever offer multiple products or was it just one product?
Just one product, lifetime um access, but it was full price was at the top. So it would be like 129 for the sale price. And then it would have a 3 installment, and then it would have the 7 installment.
Okay, so previously, when it was working well, we really had 3 products they could choose from. You did have choices.
But
Yes?
it was the same product, if that
Okay.
counts.
And is this all the same product? It looks like yes, same product, different
Yeah,
payment options.
exactly.
And that's what you did previously too. Same product, but different payment options.
Yes.
Okay, cool. First thing I got to check for is let's say you only had one product, one payment option on the original launch and that was working. And then we implemented this and sales were lower. First thing that would ding in my mind is, oh, we gave too many choices. Typically, a funnel is a one choice track. They only make one decision and it's a yes or no. As soon as we start adding more products, well, that's more opportunity for confusion. Well, do I need the 1 year? Do I need the lifetime? I don't know. And a confused mind always says no. So we see that sometimes by adding more options, we actually decrease sales. But we didn't add more options here. We didn't change anything about the products or the choices. So I do not think that would be a problem at all.
I mean, this top one is lifetime. I could take that out for next time.
No way. No way. You
Yeah,
made
this one is
sales on.
lifetime, and these are 1 year, 1 year.
Yeah, no, you made sales on that. And your margins, you're happy to make those lifetime sales? Yeah, you
Yeah,
didn't even expect you were going to get those, right? That we were just putting that in there to really make the 1 year seem more attractive.
yeah.
Cool. I would probably tell you next time raise the price on that to 29.99
Okay.
because we don't need people buying it, but if we're going to raise it that much and they're going to buy, okay, that's fine. Um and nothing else about this really changed. You added an extra bonus to it, so you added more value, but aside from that nothing really changed.
No.
When's your
I did the
election?
same emails. I did April 12th, so it's still quite a while away. So next launch is supposed to be beginning of month, but if because of this we can't launch, that'd be kind of like bad. I don't know. Is it better to? It's still better to have some sales than no sales.
Of
'Cause,
course. Of course, 100%. 100% it is. Did you still make profit?
yeah, but much less. I did spend also so much more on Facebook ads.
Correct. I'm just so curious. Do you know if your competition has turned off ads? Do you have competition?
I have one guy. I can check quickly if he has turned them off, but he doesn't seem as what ads library like, right?
Yeah, Facebook ads library. Yep.
I can quickly check. This guy is my. What's happening? There we go. Oh, interesting. This means he has nothing running.
Yeah. So he probably is experiencing the exact same thing. Feel free, take a
Maybe
look.
he has another account. Wait, let's
Take
check
your,
it.
take your time, no worries.
Oh yeah, same thing.
That's it.
Interesting.
That's interesting, isn't it? Because he's been running ads alongside you this entire time, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yes. I don't know why this is not
Yeah, I've actually
loading.
never seen that happen. That's really interesting.
This other guy is running, but he's more or less he's much older than me, so I feel like it's not the same generation.
And yeah, and his ads are all from December 25. Oh, there's one from January. Keep going down a little. Let me see what else is there. What's that date?
December
And
4th,
that's all
that's all.
25. Okay. Uh, More than likely. When is your election, Orshi?
April 12th or 13th.
Ah, more than likely, that is the factor.
Yeah.
Um, Sorry, I'm just thinking.
No worries. And even it's crazy. My views on my natural reach content so down because of AI, the ads,
Mm.
like politics, now all the other stuff happening in the world. So it's crazy. So I'm not even posting new content right now because there's no reason to shoot new stuff when the views are crazy low.
I would disagree. I think that's the time to shoot different stuff. Keep shooting. You have to be consistent and reliable with that algorithm. You have to be. So I would keep putting out the stuff that you have been putting out, stick to your brand, stick to your posting style. But if you ever have any different types of posts that you've wanted to try, now would be the time to try them. Algorithms
Okay.
algorithms definitely do get cyclical, and more than likely what you're seeing with that is so much unsurety in your local area. I bet a lot of the algorithm is really pushing political content instead of anything else because that's where people's attention is, and the algorithm feeds into the attention. If that stuff keeps them scrolling longer, that's what it's going to serve them up. We see that in America as well. You should keep running your
Okay.
ads. You should keep running
Okay.
your ads. Even if you're not making as much as you've been making, you still have your presence. There are still buyers for this, and your competitors have already stopped.
Which is very strange.
That's a
But
month
yeah.
that you get up
Yeah.
on them. That's a month's
Okay.
worth of customers, even though they're not as much. That's a month worth of customers that you have their attention now. You're no longer fighting with that person. You got to keep your ads running.
Okay.
Even if you
Let's move
wanted
on
to
to
lower
better things.
if you wanted to lower spend a little bit, you could, but I would encourage you to keep at the same spend. If you're break even, I'm super, super happy with that. Don't forget about down the line sales too. You have these people, they're in your ecosystem. It might not be super profitable right now, but you have those sales coming through after a year and they resubscribe or you're selling them into other products that you have. Keep it pumping.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay. Thank you.
Absolutely.
So also I have made almost finished my membership. We want to launch it this weekend or this coming week, just for the we made a wait list basically.
Great.
Uh, Surprise, there's like 100 people in here, which is great. I connected Zapier to connect to Circle.
Okay.
But am I correct? Because what was happening is I connected Zapier to the certain card funnels for tier one, tier two, tier three. But then somebody who signed up for the wait list actually ended up getting the invite to Circle, which should not have happened. So I actually made a brand new, like I separated everything into their own, like within one funnel. When I added it, it just counted as an opt-in on the whole funnel instead of the page. So now
Hmm.
I'm going to make a card page for or separate funnel only card page for each tier of the membership. Is that's fine, right? Logically, that still makes sense.
Yes, that's totally fine. What you're saying is basically you'll have a sales page where they click a button with the tier they want to be on, and then you'll send them to a specific funnel for each button they click.
Exactly.
Yes, that's completely fine.
Okay. I kept clicking on this one. This is actually not so important because it's just a wait list, which is finishing very soon. But I want to learn how to, there is an issue here. Right now it's not even loading the blue.
You mean the
I think I
green, your
changed some.
green section?
I changed a style. I think that's what might have happened. It's fine, but see this wild line at the top. I can't take
Yes.
it out. And
Yes.
I've been trying everything and going everywhere to find a section, and I don't know where it is.
Okay, let's go to your row settings. Highlight that blue outline and then settings. Add some top margin, your top margin slider, slide that to the right. It's actually at the very top.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that one. Slide it to the right for me. Okay, great. Just made a little bit of space. Click back on your funnel. Now move there's our section.
Oh,
Great. So your row was just really tight to your section and you couldn't get to your section settings. And the reason that white line is there is because we added that margin. Now we remove the margin. Fantastic. Let's go back to our row. So click on your funnel, highlight the blue row. Great. Remove that margin, and there we go.
magic. That was so much easier than I thought. Okay,
And
great.
that's actually a really, really tricky one when it's like, why is my green just not showing up? It's always because your row is smushed up too much on it.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you my not completely finished funnel, but it's in English. So you can
Hey,
actually look at
okay.
my copy.
Okay.
So uh, I'll click on the edit. Just, I was thinking maybe you could look at my copy. It's not, as this is a rough draft, okay? It's not, I just placed what I want where I want it. Um, Here it is.
Sure. Scroll me back up. Just trying to get a feel for the above the fold. Cool.
Okay, then I'm thinking about adding a video, a sales video here,
Sorry, I didn't
which
see the
I,
headline yet. I was just getting a feel for the page. No,
sorry,
you're
yeah.
totally fine. Level up your life. Learn the English that people actually speak. I grew up in Canada. I know what real English sounds like. Now I want to teach it to you so you can understand and speak with confidence. That's great. That's great. Join Orshi's circle. Great.
It's going to be called my circle.
I love that.
So funny to me. Okay, and then here I want to add a video. This would scroll to, I don't know if I have it set up, but it will scroll to this, the
Ah,
plan
you did
settings.
this so good. So good. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Yup. Great. Okay. Great.
And
Great.
then each level they get extra stuff.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Great. I love this. You nailed this, Orshi.
Thank you. I just copied the one you told me to, this one, the ClickFunnels one,
Yup.
this one, without
Perfect.
the Dominate one.
Absolutely perfect.
Thank you. Okay. So would I add anything else on this funnel?
I don't think so. What you would do is you would play around with some design. Like instead of a hero image, would it be better to have your video there? And then maybe an image of you down below, right? So right now in your above the fold, you have a headline and you have the copy that really is introducing yourself, but it's not like invoking any curiosity. That's what Russell's done forever. Every one of Russell's headlines is always a curiosity invoking headline. It would be like, learn the simple system that is helping Hungarians speak English, travel confidently, and even migrate, and is like something like that, like learn the secrets that these people have learned and have helped them do these results, the things that
Mm-hmm.
your people want. You say level up your life, learn the English that people actually speak, but there's no real outcome. We're not painting a picture of transformation with that. We're really
Okay.
leaving it up to the customer to paint their own picture of transformation. Well, if I learn English, then what would I do with that? And we really want to show the transformation. One of my favorite headlines that Russell ever wrote, it was for a supplement that he came out with. And the headline was something along the lines of, learn my one weird trick that allowed me to replace 127 pills with just one supplement. It was like, wow, you see that? It's like, whoa, what does he know that he got to take 127 pills out of his regimen? I have, sorry.
Okay.
I have a lot of curiosity in that. It didn't make, it didn't tell me exactly what it is or how it functions or anything like that, but there's so much curiosity. I have to scroll, I have to read, I have to see what's next. So, I'm a huge fan of this. This headline works. This above the fold works, but I would probably split test it against some harder hitting headlines. Maybe
Okay.
maybe some headlines that are like invoking fear as well. Fear-based copy works really well. And that's, we would lean into people's fears. So what fears do they have, right? By not learning English, they're not able to communicate with their loved ones in other areas, and maybe there's life messages that they're not able to portray to them, right? Like, so there's definitely tweaks we could make. We could definitely come with different angles in our marketing, and we can definitely try some more in your face, like fear, and some more curiosity based to get people to scroll. But I'm happy with this at a start. Level up your life. See, like, even level up your life. Just there's a lot of things that people would have. How do they level up my life? What aspect of my life do I level up? Right? Are we leveling up
Everything.
right? And typically when we try and do everything, it actually does absolutely nothing.
I know. I
So
always say
maybe
this now.
there we go.
Your voice is in my head when this happens. I see an ad and I'm like, they're trying to speak to everyone. They're speaking to no one.
Yeah, look at you. Come on with it, Orshi. So maybe instead of level up your life, we'd say level up your communication. Maybe you would say level up your reach, level up your traveling, right? Like, and this all comes from customers. You know, this all comes from the conversations you have with your customers. What things are they coming to you for? You know those things. So tweak those, put those in your headlines, split test it. Start with level up your life because what you wrote here is good and this will work. Is it the best? I don't
No, I
think
don't
so.
think it's the best either yet. It's
So,
just,
and
it's more
but
like I
remember,
placed everything and then let's see.
yes. And funnels are iterative processes, right? We iterate over and over and over. It's just like science. The first experiment we do in a science project is typically not the best experiment, but it leads us to the best experiment. So I'm super happy with this, and I'm super happy with you starting with this.
Okay. And can I just show you my these back to these?
Yeah.
Um, I mean, I would have to explain. I don't know if it's obvious what these things are. It's really difficult because teaching, I'm going to teach English in this membership in English. So people need to understand what they are signing up for. So they have to be very basic enough English that they understand. They don't get scared, but it's still everything is there, you know? So that's the other
Yes.
thing. What do you think about the tiers? If you can just look at the just one my offering, I guess, because this is basically my offer stack, right?
Yes, it is. Let's look. I think everything should start with the Orshi method blueprint.
Okay.
That's your unique blueprint. That's the way that you teach everything. And that should
Exactly.
definitely be the first thing.
Okay.
And end with certificates. That's great. Okay, can you scroll me down a little bit? Excuse me. Okay. Okay, in this second one, make progress certificates right there so that they can easily see across the line and just easily see that, like, oh, everything up here is exactly the same. Just make it a little more
Okay.
digestible for customers. Weekly, yeah. Yeah, this is great. Okay, keep going down.
That's all.
I'm super happy with this. The only thing you might add is total value and the price. Scroll me up. I think you had the price above each one.
This wasn't our communicated price. I just didn't have it my notebook with me when I wrote this, so it's not completely, but it's going to be around this one, I think. Yeah, actually this one was about correct. This one will be about 47 or something. And this one, I don't want people to join this one, but if they do, I'm gonna have to do it.
Great. And is that a price that you'd be happy with if somebody bought?
I have to do the calculations of how it makes sense if I'm reaching every single day. You
Right.
know, if how
And
many
maybe you
people
tweak the
are.
offer. Maybe you tweak the offer. Maybe it's 3x a day instead of 5, 3 times a week instead of 5 times,
Mm,
right? So feel free to play with that one, but you're right. We don't want people buying that. That should really just be showing how valuable the speaker is. So for you, you're putting price right above, which is okay. You might want to try a split test in the future, not putting price there, but instead at the very bottom where the button is, put total value and then strike that total value number through. Like if listener, maybe we typically want our total value to be 10x the price that we're charging. So if you're charging 19, you want the value to be around 190, something like that. Uh, so maybe just scroll me down below and I'll just draw. See, you also have your start today buttons right up top.
yeah.
You might remove the price from the top, remove the start today buttons from the top, and you would put it all down here. You'd have your total value, you'd strike through the total value, you'd have the today's price, and then a button right down there. The one of the rules of marketing is never reveal price before establishing value. And we are
Okay.
doing the opposite here. We're revealing price first and then building and then revealing the value, which is okay. Your price points seem really, really attractive. Are they, I mean, I don't know Hungry Money and all that, but 19 a month, is that a lot or is that like a no-brainer decision?
It should be a no-brainer, but I do want to push people to tier two. Like I really want most people to take tier two because that's where the value will be. I mean, tier one is fine. It's just if you do tier one, honestly, you're not gonna learn English 100% because you don't get to communicate, right? Tier
But
two, you have live
if they
classes.
do take tier one, will it get their foot in the door and get them to learn enough that they see then the value of tier two?
Yes, exactly.
Then that's perfect. I love that.
Yeah, these story flows, they're so good. My husband is making them. They're so good. We're basically making stories ourselves. AI is there for you, for us to, do the voices and everything. It's crazy. So good.
That's amazing.
I'm so excited about it. So, and our plan is to launch. So I made a wait list for my existing email list to even see how many of them understand because I wrote the email in Hungarian and saying everything here will be in English, and 85 people signed up so far, which is not bad, I think. Uh, and then I'm thinking about this weekend or on Monday launching it, just saying, oh, I'm going to take just 20 people, so I can see how it works and get the feel of community and all these things, and then launch it to the rest of the people. Is that a normal? What would the timeline be between the first 20 and how long I would have to test it before I can just launch to everyone else?
Normally, we would launch to everyone else without testing like that because
Really?
you have 80 something people on your wait list. And those are people that said, yes, I'm ready. So what we would really do is we would launch out to the wait list and we would get all the wait. Like what you would do is you would not launch this weekend, you would launch next Thursday. You would have a sequence, a launch sequence, just like you're doing with Jeff's program. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you would build up the pressure. You would build that pressure. Thursday, you would launch. You would get everybody in that you could possibly get in. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you're really working on and finding out the little things people don't like, and you're making those tweaks. And then next week, you're running that same launch to the entire master list who didn't join the wait list. And we would skip that little test on 20 and then open it up because you're probably going to hurt sales down the line. These people opted in for a wait list. They don't want to wait forever. They want to get access. And then when you say, oh, only the first 21st persons goes, and they're like, oh, I can't get in. And now you're going to lose their attention. It might not hurt too bad. Maybe you keep their attention great. But what I would typically see is we would go, it's a small wait list of 80 people, right? Let's say you closed half of them. That's only 40 people. You can deal with that. I know it's a little more than 20, but it's only 40. It's not that much. It's not that bad. That's what I would recommend all day.
Okay. And how do I build scarcity into this? Just lower the price a bit,
You
or do
could.
I need to?
I don't even think you need to.
Okay.
I think what I would do for scarcity is I would I would throw a special onboarding call there. So when they buy on either plan, listener or speaker, when they buy today and take action right away, these first people who join right away, so I'd put a time on there, right? If you join before Sunday, maybe at 12 o'clock, just like you're used to doing, if you join before Sunday at 12 o'clock, then I'm going to give you a special onboarding. We're going to have a live call where I'm going to be in the community with you. I'm going to show you through the community and I'm going to help make sure that everybody is set up so you get the most out of this. And also, I have some special stuff I want to share with you there too. Bonuses for being in session. That's the scarcity I would have because now they're missing out on that onboarding call.
Okay. I love it. I was gonna do the onboarding call anyway, but amazing.
And
Thank
when you launch out, maybe you do the onboarding call anyway, and maybe you do leave that as urgency and scarcity for them.
And nobody needs to know because I always make sure not to send all my emails to the people who already bought.
It's exactly right. It's exactly right. Yep.
Okay, that's all my questions. I'm actually so excited about this membership. It's been a
Good.
long time coming.
You should
Uh,
be. I'm really proud of you for doing that too. And you did it all yourself?
my husband and I are a team. That's all.
Yeah. That's amazing. I love that.
Thank you. Thank you for all your help. I really,
Uh,
really appreciate it. I've been waiting
always,
to hop on here. It's just been crazy of everything.
always a pleasure, Orgy. Glad to.
Anyway, thank you so much.
Absolutely. You have a great day. Okay, let's hop over to Marie. Marie, I have not been able to speak to you in a while, and I know you have questions. Let's knock these out. There we go. Hey, what's up, Marie?
I'm good, thank you. So please let me share my screen.
Okay.
Mommy,
Danny, not now. You people should go. I'm coming.
mommy, Darren,
Wait,
Darren.
now.
See, Mr. Darren fighting, mommy.
Darren is fighting you.
Yeah.
Go tell him not to fight again. It's okay. It's okay. So, Dante, please let me just take you to one of my emails. I realized this caution sign on it, and yesterday someone reached out to me and said, when they sign up for the webinar, the email that comes to them shows February something, and I've been trying to update that email, but it doesn't update at all.
Interesting.
Um,
I'm just going to turn off your video and mine. That'll help this load much faster.
okay, no problem. It's okay. Darren.
Okay, let's go to, yeah, that's the page, right?
Darren, stop. Sorry, Dante.
It's okay, Marie. I got some of my own.
I really need this help because very soon I'll be getting them ready for school and
No, you are A-okay. We'll get you rocking and rolling. Go to your funnel icon, top left.
sorry, right here. Go back. Okay.
Yeah, that one. Great.
All right. Sorry, I missed
Okay.
it.
Click on your
Email.
workflows.
Darren, can you
Great.
stop? Please.
Okay. Yes, it should be that top one.
It's okay.
Okay, scroll me down to that
Is
first
this
email.
first email?
Yep, 3 dots, edit. More than likely, this is the reason. You could see at the very
Yes,
top, there are
yes,
unpublished
it
changes.
it doesn't update.
Okay, let's see. Scroll me down. Where's that date? Let's change it.
Where this is the email I updated already, and when I try to publish it, it published here, but it's not publishing here. It's not showing that it's updated.
Oh, okay. Click publish, top right.
It's still gonna be the same thing.
Okay, put your mouse on that caution sign.
Nothing.
Can you click it?
Yes, I'm clicking it. Nothing is moving. I tried to play with it yesterday, but I couldn't get it.
Um, Click send test, top right.
Send tests.
Just name this, just put the title webinar test. Your from address, choose any from address, really. Yeah, great. And the recipients, I want you to put my email.
Your email?
Yes, CF test, CF like ClickFunnels,
Test.
test Dante, Dante
Test Dante.
@gmail.com.
Gmail.com. Are you seeing it from your end?
Yeah, we're gonna send this right to me. Go ahead and send that test.
Okay.
Stop moving fast.
Okay. Great. The test should have sent. Let me just get in that inbox. I have an Orshi email. That's cool. Let's see.
Are you always getting my emails?
Oh yeah,
It's so funny.
I got you out of spam too.
Thank you,
Who,
thank you.
who, me, Dante?
No, Orshi.
Oh,
It might just take a second for this to come through because it's a test, but let's see. Silk and Radiant came to spam. I'll get you out of spam right now.
oh, it did?
Yep, but I'll get you out of spam. Report not spam. Great. That will help tremendously. All right. Silk and Radiant. Your merge tag is off. Can you see my video right now?
No, should I stop sharing?
Oh, it's actually not going to be. No, you don't have to. Your merge tag is going to be completely fine. You just don't have my contact in your account. No, your merge tag is not going to be fine. Contact first name right here where you're
Yes.
plugging in the contact name. I don't think that's correct. So click that for me. Let's edit that text. Just click right there.
Okay.
Yep. And click, put your mouse after hi.
Hi.
Yeah, press space a couple times just to move that text way to the right. Okay, great. And now go back to hi like you were gonna type normal. Just one space. Hi, one space.
Yay, good job.
Okay, great. Now click insert merge tag.
Insert.
Correct.
That.
And we're gonna go for contact first name. Click that one for me.
Oh, thank
Check-
God for this. I didn't
check
even.
Check out the difference in the two. This first one has the brackets ending. This one does not have the brackets, and they're really important. So I want you to remove the last one. Yep, delete it, get it gone. Lovely. Now the merge tag is correct. That's fantastic. Okay. As I'm scrolling, let's see. Yeah, Thursday, March 12th at 3 p.m. Eastern. March 12th, 2026, 3 p.m. Eastern. I have the Zoom link. It did update perfectly, Marie.
So, oh yeah, it did.
It did. Yes, it did.
It disappeared right now. You can see that.
I do see that.
Oh, all right. Thank you, Dante.
You got it. Hey, there's one thing I'm seeing though, and just for everybody to be able to see this, if it works, look at the subject. The subject says ClickFunnels template, Russell Brunson style webinar test.
Who? In my?
Yes, that we want to change. So let's exit. You're good to go. Oh, actually, it's publish that change. We changed your merge tag.
Yeah, I
So
published it.
publish again for me, please. Great.
So where should I go?
Now exit top left, the little exit arrow. Yep. Okay, go to your email one.
Email one.
Your first email, 3 dots. Settings. Why did that come through? Okay, close. Uh, Click your 3 dots right there. Yes. Settings. Scroll me down. Where is that coming from? ClickFunnels template test. Silken
Oh, that's
Radio.
what came with the email.
Yes, you should send this email to yourself as a test. Let's do it together really quick.
All right. So I
Yeah,
should get X out of here.
yes, close that down. Go to email one, edit. Yes. Top right, send test. I'm going to step away for 2 seconds, but just put in whatever email of yours that you want to send this test to.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Okay. Webinar registration confirmation. You registered. Go to settings, top right, please.
I haven't received it yet.
It might take a second. Test emails go out a little slower than live emails, but you should see it very soon. Make sure to check your spam folder.
Okay. Oh, you said I should go back to settings?
Yes, right here. Settings in the top right there.
Top. Oh, I'm sorry. Zoom was on it. I wasn't seeing it.
There we go. Scroll me down. I don't think it'll be here, but
Cut
let's
my
see.
hand. Sorry, Dante.
No, you are A-okay. Where is that
That's
coming from?
let's see. Promotions. I haven't seen it.
Can you
Um,
exit for me, top left?
exit.
Yeah,
Right.
right up there, that back arrow.
Oh,
Great. Click into the other webinar, please. Or the other workflow right down here. Yes. Go to email 1. It shouldn't be this, but let's just see. 3 dots on that email. Settings. Yeah, of course. It's definitely not this. Okay, you can close that down. I'm seeing it as like pre-headline.
say that again, Dante.
I'm just trying to find where this is. Click back to that email sequence, the workflow.
Which the two?
Yes, that one.
Okay.
So add a tag, register. We only tested this email, so it must be here. You're registered for. Click your 3 dots on that email again, please, and then settings. I feel like it's automatically propagating here.
Where? At the headline?
Yes, and it's showing in the email where the pre-headline would be. So let's put something in the pre-headline. You're registered for the master class.
Yes.
Let's put the starting date. Let's put starting
Starting.
May 12th at 3 p.m.
March.
Excuse me, yes, March 12th.
Okay. 12. Please now. Oh my goodness.
Great.
And then
Go
I
ahead and
save.
yes, go ahead and save that, please.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, back into that email. So 3 dots and then edit. Great. Send me another test, top right.
Test.
Yep. Title can just be anything. You can literally just put nonsense. Yeah.
Let me say it so.
Cool.
Home address.
And then CF test Dante. There it is.
Okay.
Great. Send that test.
I don't know why I still didn't receive my promotions.
You should see it in spam by now.
No, I didn't. It's not there.
Interesting.
Let me try it again.
Okay, now you're showing up in my promotions.
Oh, I didn't put the right email. Look at that.
Okay, I'm going to have you webinar 2. I feel like this is just because we're sending test emails.
Okay.
Let's go check a real one. Let's go opt into your funnel really quick. So go exit top left.
I should just type it on the browser.
No, sorry. Go back to your funnel tab.
Okay. Funnel tab.
All right, click into your funnel. Yep, the name of it. Or that, no, you're perfect. That works. This is all we need. Okay, put in my first name, Dante.
Dante.
And my email, cftestdante@gmail.com.
VF tests Dante at gmail.com.
Great. And for the phone number, put 404
404
444 5555.
45555.
Great. Send it. Yep. Okay, great. Let's go back to your ClickFunnels account. Yes. Customers tab and then contacts.
Refresh.
Reload. Yes.
Still didn't show.
Reload one more time. Okay, take me to your funnel. Click the name, take me into that funnel itself. Okay, go into the editor of that first page. So just put your mouse on the image and then you can click edit.
Oh, you said edit.
That's right. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, great. I got you out of promotions. Lovely. Scroll me down. Let me see the button that's right there.
Which one?
You have a button just below your inputs right there. Okay, button is set to submit as it should be. That's great.
I think it updated because when I went one step back, I saw one additional option.
Yeah, I think I saw that too. Let's go back and check your contacts. So exit top left.
Maybe it should have. It's just taking its time.
Yep, just a little slow with internet. Back to customers and then contacts.
And see
Contacts.
contacts. Hmm.
I wonder if I've already opted in before. Let me do something. Go to your right browser tab.
Right browser tab.
Yes, press back on the browser. Okay, copy that URL.
This one?
Yeah, everything, but take out submit form. I don't want that in there.
Oh. Okay.
Great. And then put that in the Zoom chat. There should be a Zoom control bar floating around on your screen somewhere. If you click on that, it should open up the chat. Gotcha. I'm going to go opt in myself really quick. Okay, let's go back to your ClickFunnels account. So one browser tab left. Great. Let's go back to reload this page.
Reload.
Okay, there I am. I probably didn't show up before because I was already an existing contact in your account. I just used a unique email tag to make sure that I was opting in just like a new contact, and there I am. So great. Everything is working perfect, exactly as we expected to. 12:03.
And Dante,
You're registered. We're good.
it's showing hi contact first name. It didn't pick.
Correct. That's just the test.
Oh, okay, okay.
Stop your share. Actually, I'm going to stop it for you.
All right.
So I got you now. It was all just the test. Here you are, right there, silk and radiant.
Okay.
And then when I click in, here we go. Here's what I'm seeing. You can see right at the top. I opted
Yeah.
in.
Hi,
It
Dante.
starts with hi. Yup. Yup. Let's go make sure that the date, Thursday, March 12th at 3 o'clock, Zoom link at the bottom. You are rocking and rolling. Sometimes that happens in testing. If you send just a test email, it can send some crazy stuff. Sometimes it's not accurate. So that's exactly how we test. You can always go to your funnel, opt in live, and you'll receive that real true email. There's nothing crazy showing up anymore. You're perfectly fine. You did it exactly right.
All right. Thank you, Dante.
Mm-hmm. Anything else I can help with, Marie?
Yeah, even but there's no time. My kids need to be in school by 12:30, so I have just 20 minutes to take care of them and drop them.
Okay, well, I'm sorry that took a little too long.
It's
Hop
fine.
back in tomorrow. We'll keep getting you rocking.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You got it. Great
I'll
work,
be out.
Marie.
Thank you.
Okay, Vladimir, I have till 12:15. Let me get you what I can.
No, so I have the form that we set up yesterday that I set up. It's like it's acting weird, meaning that it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. And let me actually show you. So I kind of like took it down because the setup is not optimal. So let me share, and then we'll just quickly go over it, and then you can actually hopefully help me with this one, and then off I go. So here is the funnel. And I'm going to, I tested it in live. Oh, hold on, I gotta actually. Show pop-up.
Nice.
Yeah, so I did see, like I put like a letter to basically explain what this club is all about.
So good.
I made it like but here is the problem. Let me actually edit settings. Let me show it on trigger on load, page load, for example.
Okay.
Now remember yesterday we kind of like went down and wanted to basically the pop-up to show only once somebody's engaged, not
Yep.
just kind of quick in and out, right? So I did not touch this, so here is basically what happened, right? So this is, as you can see, it's some kind of picture all the way somewhere down, right? So I'm going to save this, just show you see it. And now, check what happens now. I'm gonna go into the, now you see it popped up right away.
Do you know why?
No.
You just set it to trigger on page load. So as soon as the page loads, the pop-up would show. Let's go back to your account.
Okay, that explains it. All right, let me kill it. Take this. Okay.
So there it is, trigger on page load, show when it loads. We're going to reverse that. Do not show on load.
Okay.
Great. Now, so we do not show on exit. We do not show on load, but we do show when someone scrolls to this section.
Gotcha. Let's give it a quick test, and
Cool.
then I'll also show you what there's also some irregularities that probably shouldn't happen.
Well, I literally only have 4 minutes, so let's look at the irregularities.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know that I don't think you had an element chosen. Let's go look at your editor.
Okay. Yeah. Image.
That's interesting. I would just choose something different on the list.
You got it. I'll choose anything as long as it's like, all right, I'm gonna make it this headline,
Great. Save your change.
And this is not all that urgent, but here is the irregularity, right? So when I filled up the form, it actually sent me, like, it skipped this page, right? It just didn't book a lead and then stay on the page. It went to another page.
Yeah.
So that's that's something that shouldn't happen, right? Like, somebody should just be able to fill it in and then move on. So
yeah. And when you say move on, what do you mean? Like
no. So basically, so the idea is here, okay, I get a pop-up saying, hey, join us, the Brotherhood of the White Ash, without actually interfering with him viewing what's on the landing page, right? On the sales page.
Sure.
You see what I'm saying? So this is another way, like a tool. I'm trying to get the lead in two ways. So one is this, and then the other one will be the regular if somebody decides to proceed. But you see now, this is now loading. Like, I mean, we did select some headline. I don't know which one, but
that makes me feel like it's probably a desktop and mobile thing. Take me back to your account. Just click anywhere to get out of those settings on the right. Okay, so you set your entire section to desktop only. Keep scrolling me down. And it's all desktop only.
Correct. For this particular, I do have the mobile version as well.
Right. I imagine if we viewed this on mobile, the pop-up would work properly.
Okay.
So what you should really probably do here, Vladimir, is add a section that is both mobile and desktop only, and just have it be a blank, empty section.
Gotcha.
Literally, you can make it fit in with this, like the blank spaces that you naturally have in there. So just make a section. It's mobile and desktop both. And that's going to be your check marker. You have a mobile version and a desktop version, and it's just getting confused on versioning. So put a section, keep it set to all, and that will be your check mark. It'll work perfectly.
Gotcha. And then last question is
so then somebody's on this page. Oops, sorry, that was huge. Somebody's on this page. They fill out your pop-up and
then it goes to this one. It goes to order form.
And is that what you want, or do you want to take it to a different page?
No. So I just want them to, when they click, I just want them to become a lead without actually leaving this section, because this is an automatic pop-up that I do now, so if, let's say they're scrolling and reading the material, the pop-up shows up. Okay, they can kill it or they can input their information, but I would like them to continue reading that information, right? Like, so since this is a sales page. So that's one. We can continue tomorrow or Monday. This is really not urgent, but I need to get this, I need to address this. But what's more confusing is that I'm trying to put the test emails and it's not really tagging me anymore. So for example, right here, I did this, but you see, like, it didn't tag me. And then I didn't get, for example, here, I didn't get the marketing activity. You see, like, no workflows. Like, I wanted to see what the workflow will look like. I wanted to get the email that we attached.
Oh, so interesting. Let's test this really quick. Go back to your funnel.
Yeah. And then another thing is, I'm sorry, while I have you here, let me just show you this real quick. So you see, like, this guy got tagged as a Grandmaster buyer, but he didn't buy.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? Like, so that's another thing that it should be abandoned cart rather than buyer, because then he can, he should be run through abandoned cart emails.
Right. Okay, let's go to your funnel really quick.
Real quick. I know we're over time.
Yeah, click that. Okay, great. I want to go opt in really quick. So copy, click that little copy button. Put that link in the chat for me. There should be a Zoom bar floating around. If you click it, you should be able to get to chat.
Yes, right here. I got you.
Great. Okay. I'm going to go opt in. My browser is clean. Oh, and then the pop-up's not going to show because we have to set that. Just go enter the editor of that page, please. Yes. Go to your pop-up settings. Trigger on load. Let's put that to yes. Great. Save the change. Lovely. Did you save that?
I did. Saved.
Okay, preview for me really quick then. Okay, cool. It popped for you. Just put my info in there really quick.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh, no, never mind. I got it. Here we go.
Okay.
All right. Oops. Okay, cool. All right, great. Go back to your customers tab and then contact so you can exit top left. Yep, customer contacts. There I am, but I also do not see that tag. So click in there. And I don't see a tag. Okay, back to your funnel. Click into it. And there's no workflow attached to that page. Go back to your funnel builder.
See, like that's weird. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Just click in. And I'm looking right there at that lightning bolt. I do not see a workflow attached, and that would be why.
Yeah, but I mean, I've been attaching this, like I've been attaching it for some time now, few times. Let me just do it one more time right here with you. So the Grandmaster sequence, select. Okay,
What's the
Grandmaster
trigger?
opt-in and
Yes.
successful purchase.
Well, they don't purchase on that page. That's just your sales page. And now that we have a pop-up on that page, the only real action they would do there is opt in. This is exactly how you want it. So if they just click the button and they don't fill out the pop-up, they will not be added to this workflow. The only people added are the people who fill in the pop-up, which is exactly how you want it.
Correct. So
Yep.
I'm going to fill this opt-in, and then let me just make sure that Grandmaster. Okay, so let's. Okay, order form. And do you mind actually, because I haven't been receiving these, like the sequence, right? And I want to see how it looks like. And that's another thing, because I'm doing the test emails and it's just not working, like I just showed you, right? Like there was no workflow that actually got executed on behalf when I put the information in. I want to see how these emails look like.
So go to your, I'll show you how to do that. Exit top left. Just type in your email, go to customers and then contacts and just type in your email. We'll find your contact.
Yeah, for example, like let's do this one, right?
Sure. Go to your marketing tab. Workflow runs, add to workflow. Just manually add this contact to that
You
workflow.
got it.
Yep.
Okay, let's do GM Grandmaster sequence.
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah, awesome. You're the man.
Bingo. Now you're going to get all those emails coming through.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Dante. On that note, we'll continue. We'll continue tomorrow. But thank you so much for this. But this should work now with the form, right? And it's not going to go anywhere. Perfect. Thank you.
Yes, they're going to fill out that pop-up and they will be taken to the order form because that's how it works. It's a submit button. So when they click submit, they're taken to the next step in the funnel. They're going to be taken somewhere. So yes.
Now, since it's on a page load, so I'm going to actually disable it until we figure out how to, until I add the maybe at the bottom, maybe like on page exit. You see what I'm saying? Because if it's page load or anything time or anything that is specific, maybe that will make the execution slightly more complex. But if it's on page exit, hey, join us for, brotherhood on the white ash. So 100%. I will I'm gonna I'll disable it for now just so we can move forward, and then I will make sure that this thing actually works and we can do that next week.
That sounds great. You should be able to set it, Vladimir, on page exit, and you can also still place that check mark. So feel free to put a blank section set to all at the very bottom, and then whether they try and exit or they scroll to the bottom, that pop-up will show.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You got it, Vladimir. Scott, thank you for your patience, man. I got time. I promise I can think today. So I'll get you that email in just a couple hours here. Gang, great time. As always, great work today. Super proud of all of you in OFA. This is just fantastic. I love my job and I love you guys. I'll let you go for now. Have an amazing rest of your day. We'll catch you very soon.